Hey guys, my name is Stefan and I want to take you through this very short video on how to sign up for the website that the school will be using to get the information from the school to the households. So I want you to go to this web address, InternetLearning, so I'll put it on the screen as well, internetlearning.co.za, and then you put a / and then Moodle, Moodle. Now put this into the address bar. Do not go to Google and put it in there. It's not going to work. You need to put it into the address bar at the top. Press enter and this website will load. Now you need to create an account. Two ways. You can click on new account or you can click down here on create a free account. Does the same thing. So I'm just going to click over here. So let's just scroll through quickly and have a look. You need to add a username. So username is a nickname that you're going to use. You can use your email address, but if you can come up with a short nickname, you can do that. Then you will need to add an email address, and it must be a valid email address because the system will send an email with a link that you must click to verify your account. Then you put your first name, your surname, put your suburb, select your country and choose a grade, and importantly your school. Select your correct school from the list because this will automatically then enroll you into the correct content. So you need to put a cell phone number. It needs to be a valid cell phone number. Again, if we want to send SMSs, we need a real cell phone number. And then the last thing you'll do is tick that you are not a robot, hopefully, and create an account. So let me just complete this. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters. So I've now filled in the information that I need. I'm going to tick I'm not a robot, and it comes back with that green check to just confirm that you're not a robot, and then create the account. So just have a read here. An email should have been sent to your address. It contains easy instructions to complete the registration. Now this is the same as any other website. Let me show you what the email looks like. Okay, so this is what the email looks like. I'm going to click on it and in there is a link. And now it says your registration has been confirmed. So just click on the link in the email. You'll come to this screen where it says your registration has been confirmed. Then the system logs you in automatically for the first time. There's a little bit of a tour that pops up. You can have a look at that. I'm just going to click on End Tour. Over here you have the King's School button. When you click that button, you will go through to the list of grades. Now we're still building that, but I'll show you what it looks like. Right, so here you will have all your grades, and you can click on the grade or the teacher's name, and that will take you to the correct information. Cheers!